What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing something seriously awesome, the Axial SCX24 Lexus GX470. This thing is supposed to be trail ready straight out of the box. And you already know, we're gonna put that to the test here in the channel. So let's dive right in. First up, the start of the show, the rig itself. Check it out, a gorgeous 124 scale Lexus GX470. And of course, I had to grab it in black. Next, we got the bag of goodies. Inside, you get the Spectrum SLT2 transmitter. Pretty simple, but it feels great in the hand. Plus, it got steering trim and throttle control, so you can dial it down to 50% speed if you want to take it slow, or crank it back up to 100% for a full send. Also in the bag, manuals. You'll probably skim through them, let's be real. Some spare parts, a quick connection guide, a 350 mAh 2S LiPo battery and a USB charger, a sticker sheet for your custom bikes, an extra drive shaft just in case things get wild, and some spring adjustment clips if you wanna tweak the suspension. Now, let's get into the rig itself. Right out of the box, this thing is a beauty. Rhino wheels, scale bumpers, and all the little details you expect. Cherry cans, roof rack, a mini ladder, even a tow hitch if you want to pull tiny trailers around. Axial really didn't miss a thing with the scale details on this one. Honestly, I can't wait to get this thing dirty. We're gonna throw it into our new indoor life terrain truck, which we're building section by section, and see what this little beast can do. Make sure you're subscribed because the trail runs and tests are coming up real soon. Catch you on the next one.